Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to log in WhatsApp Business in another phone. So if you want to use or if you want to log in WhatsApp Business in another phone, you need to follow these steps. First of all, you want to make sure that WhatsApp Business or that you have a WhatsApp Business already. Now then, you want to make sure to log in, and all you have to do is simple click, that is tap on the three dot icon at the top right, go to link devices. Now there you have these link device options. First of all, you want to enable the biometric for the security concern, and then you have these two options, that is either link with a QR code or maybe link with phone number instead. So you could click on it, and to get your code, go to WhatsApp on the web. On another device, then click on a link with phone number and then enter in the code. This is one way of doing it. So otherwise, the simpler way is just to scan the QR code and you'll be able to log into WhatsApp Business in another phone. So this is the simplest way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.